2,000 calories per day, and at least one kit for each person in your family. Self-reliance is the only alternative to government food lines. Time is running out. Become ungovernable. Go to MyPatriotSupply.com and save on dozens of different emergency food kits while you can. These kits are in stock, ship fast, and arrive in unmarked boxes for your privacy. Go to MyPatriotSupply.com before the next crisis strikes. MyPatriotSupply.com.
Celebrate our greatest presidents with a great night's sleep. Our good friends at Matthews Mattress are offering huge savings on Tempur-Pedic, Stearns & Foster, and Sealy mattress sets. Christina here from my friends at Matthews Mattress. Right now, you can save up to $500 on select adjustable mattress sets from Tempur-Pedic and get a free $300 gift. Stearns & Foster adjustable sets have savings up to $600 with a $200 free gift. And Sealy adjustable mattress sets have savings up to $400 with a $200 free gift. Plus, the entire line of Matthews Mattress Home Collection is on sale. Matthews Mattress Home Collection Queens start as low as $277. The Premium Collection and the Ultimate Collection have huge President's Day savings also. When you purchase any Matthews Mattress brand mattress over $8.99, they will pay the sales tax. Send you home with 2 free bamboo pillows and a quality mattress protector. Matthews Mattress is family owned and operated by our good friends Kevin and Kristen Matthews. Head to Matthews Mattress today for the huge President's Day sales event. To find one nearest you, go to MatthewsMattress.com. KFBK Sacramento, KFM all times news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM.
I'm Michelle Franson. In Ohio, residents in East Palestine voicing concerns about their health and the cleanup following the toxic train derailment more than 2 weeks ago. Angela Lefevre had a message from Norfolk Southern Rail.
Do your job, do it right, clean it all up, and continue to do so to bring peace of mind to everybody living here.
EPA Administrator Michael Regan says the EPA is taking legal action to make sure Norfolk Southern takes care of all those cleanup costs.
My job is to make sure we respond to this environmental disaster appropriately and hold the polluter accountable.
Today, former President Trump is visiting the region and met with residents this afternoon.
We're here today in East Palestine to show our love and support for our fellow Americans and this hour of need.
Transportation Secretary Pete Buttigieg will be on the ground there tomorrow. President Biden left Poland today following his speech and meetings marking 1 year since Russia invaded Ukraine. He called Russia's decision to suspend the START nuclear pact with the U.S. a quote, big mistake. The Supreme Court issuing a decision on overtime pay after a former supervisor earning more than $200,000 a year sued for unpaid overtime. The justices ruled high-earning employees are still entitled to overtime pay if they work more than 40 hours a week and pay is based solely on a daily. Michael Hewitt was challenging his employer Hewitt, a firm that provides services on offshore oil rigs, after the company denied his claim for overtime pay under the Fair Labor Standards Act of 1939. Hewitt argued because the now former employee was a high-earning supervisor, a bona fide executive, his compensation qualified as salary and is exempt from overtime pay. But the majority of justices disagreed that Hewitt met the FLSA's salary basis criteria. Justices Kavanaugh, Gorsuch, and Alito dissented. Jason Bouvet, ABC News, Washington. You're listening to ABC News.
California's capital city, KFBK News Radio. Update.
Good afternoon, it's 12:02 on Day to Hit with your top local stories on KFBK News Radio. Well, the birth rate in the Sacramento region is declining. About 25,000 babies were born to Sacramento area residents in 2022. That's a drop of roughly 1,000 or 4%, preliminary state data shows. And the Sacramento region areas with the largest declines in births came from Meadowview, Davis, Upper Lampart, and South Lampart. Each of those places saw declines in births of more than 15%. A multi-state coalition with more aiming to protect and expand reproductive freedom in their state. According to a press release, the coalition is called the Reproductive Freedom Alliance, which is considered the largest coalition representing the issue. 20 governors are part of the group, including Governor Gavin Newsom and governors from Hawaii, Colorado, Maryland, Delaware, and New York. film about a bear on cocaine looking to make millions in its opening weekend.
Very
at the box office.
nice, sad.
Cocaine Bear
Oh,
is projected to make
sad.
between $15 and $17 million, with some experts predicting the movie could make $20 million in its debut. Traffic and weather together. Here's KFBK's Roy Lamello.
This report sponsored by Bonnie Plumbing, Heating, and Air. Getting reports of an accident eastbound 50 just after Hazel Avenue as a two-car crash. Everything's over to the right shoulder, but so far no delays through the area. Also, watch out for some debris on the roadway westbound 80. This is just before Antelope Road. Some metal in the left lane. CHP on the way to clear it out as cars are swerving around to avoid it, but no major delays to the area. When it's cold and rainy outside, everyone knows Bonnie's leading the way home. Right now, stay warm and cozy with a $79 furnace tune-up, plumbing, sewer, electrical, heating, and air. Schedule an appointment today at Bonnie.com, license 696355. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Roy Lamello, KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Cooler this afternoon with a passing shower. The high 51 to 55. Stray shower this evening. Partly cloudy overnight. Low 31 to 35. Showers around 4 tomorrow. Breezy and chilly. High 49 to 53. Couple of showers Friday. On AccuWeather's Terry Swindingham on Sacramento News Radio.
And right now we have sunshine, for the moment anyway, 50 degrees in Sacramento. On Wall Street, Dow is now down 152 points. Staying ahead, KFBK News Radio.
Breaking news, local news, traffic and weather. Trusted for 100 years. KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Hey, what's up? It's me, Chad, from the Chad Benson Show. UpsizeMatters.com. Go there right now. Guys, if you've struggled with confidence in the bedroom, don't do it anymore. How would you like to feel bigger, if you know what I mean? UpsizeMatters.com. Schedule a free consultation today. Doesn't cost anything. It is micro-invasive, virtually pain-free. It is semi-permanent, safe, and you'll see immediate results. Put a smile on her face and your face. Go to UpsizeMatters.com to schedule a free consultation. UpsizeMatters.com.
Are you retired or near retirement and worried about your money? Learn the truth about your investments so you can make the best decisions and worry less. Don't miss the Peak Financial Freedom Show with Jim and Dan, Saturdays 11 to 1 or 3 p.m. and Sundays at 12 noon and 4 p.m. here on KFBK.
Hiring can be a headache. That's why there's Indeed, the hiring platform that removes the hassle. Offer a job and immediately get a short list of quality candidates. And you can schedule and conduct video interviews right on their site. Visit Indeed.com/credit.
This hour of the Tom Sullivan Show is brought to you by
Look at that. Here we are. You are there. I am here. That means we are connected on this Wednesday, the 22nd day of February, year of our Lord 2023. My name is Tom Sullivan. Happy birthday to George Washington. And my agent, whose first name is George. I wonder if his parents named him George because he was born on it. I never asked him. Anyway, so this is the day that